Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, hail and strong winds batter New Delhi, Ahmedabad and many parts of Rajasthan. There has been a change in the weather pattern of the northern India, including Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi-NCR. Due to the rain and strong winds, the weather has remained pleasant in many areas. Delhi witnessed the strongest thunderstorm of the season with the gusty winds touching 110 km per hour at the IndiraGandhi International Airport at 6:10 am on Saturday. The thunderstorm, accompanied by the dust storm, lightning and moderate rain, impacted the city for nearly 2 hours. During the turbulent hours, 10 trees were uprooted across the city, and 11 Delhi-bound flights were diverted and several others delayed, and there were few cases of power disruption and waterlogging. Met officials said strong convective clouds began forming in the South Punjab on Friday night and moved from Haryana to Delhi-NCR, affecting parts of the NCR. India Meteorological Department has placed a yellow alert for Sunday and Monday, predicting light rain or thunder showers on both the days. The winds were recorded at 63 km per hour around 6:10 am at Safdarjung weather station. Between 6 am and 8:30 am, Safdarjung received 15.7 millimeters of the rainfall, while Palam and the ridge in the North Delhi received 18.8 millimeters and 33.2 millimeters rainfall respectively. Lodi Road, Ayanagar, Jafarabad, Pritam Nagar and SPS Mayur Vihar reported 17, 19.8, 31, 30 and 16 millimeters rainfall respectively till 8:30 am. The scientist and the head regional weather forecasting center IMD said convective clouds which formed in the pre-monsoon period is association with the western disturbance and cyclonic circulation towards the northwest Rajasthan led to the thunderstorms. Apart from waterlogging and uprooting of the trees, a few instances of the power disruption were reported in the affected areas in the city. These disruptions were primarily a result of the trees and branches falling on electricity lines, poles and transformers. In many parts of the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, a dust storm has caused havoc on the last day, that is Sunday. Jaisalmer of Rajasthan was seen completely covered with sand. According to the meteorological department, there is a possibility of light to moderate rain along with the hailstorm and dust storm in some parts of the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and rain, strong winds in Delhi. These strong winds can also take a form of a thunderstorm. According to the meteorological department, the minimum temperature in Delhi can be recorded at 23 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 35 degrees Celsius. According to the weather forecasting agency SkyMet, the western disturbance is over North Pakistan. A cyclonic circulation is over the northwest Rajasthan and adjoining Pakistan, and in the lower levels the trough is running from this system up to the northwest Madhya Pradesh. Another trough extends from the sub-Himalayan West Bengal to interior Odisha. Due to this, the activities of the thunderstorms and rains have intensified in the northwestern India, which may continue till May 31st. According to the SkyMet, light to moderate rains is possible over Haryana, parts of western Himalayas and one of the two places over Delhi and NCR, as well as the northeast India. 1 or 2 moderate rains are likely over south coastal Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh. There is a possibility of light rain in some parts of the Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. According to the meteorological department, a circulation system will remain over the southeast Rajasthan on May 29th. Now, another new western disturbance is very likely to become active on 30th May. Thunder shower activities with the continuing over many parts of Rajasthan since the last many days. In fact, Rajasthan is one of the states which has received such activities this pre-monsoon season, which is very crucial for crops. However, in the month of April, Rajasthan recorded heavy rain with the hailstorm activities with the damaged crops in lakhs of hectares in the month of April. Rajasthan saw rain in the month of May also. Moreover, Rajasthan is expected to see rains with the rains associated with the dust storms and hailstorms. Many parts of the Rajasthan, in fact, the southern districts of Rajasthan, which were dry until now, were also received light scattered activities. These weather conditions will certainly drop the temperature and heat wave will not make a comeback anytime soon. On and off rain activities continue over Rajasthan until June 2. Weather will start clearing up June 3rd onwards and temperatures will rise thereafter. Heavy rain and thunder showers lashed many parts of Ahmedabad city on Sunday evening. Hailstorm activity was also reported from the several locations. The showers are expected to continue for 1 to 2 hours, weather experts observed. The city residents took to social media to share the visuals of the unseasonal rain and hailstorm. Many opined such heavy showers are usually unlikely in May. In 2023, India Premier League final was forced into the reserve day after the rain washed out the entire evening in Ahmedabad, so much so that even the toss couldn't take place on Sunday. The city recorded an average of 41.10 millimeters rainfall, with the Chandkheda area recording 76 millimeters and southwest zone 70 millimeters barely after 2 hours of rain. Roads were flooded and many were blocked owing to fallen trees leading to traffic jams. A total of 15 complaints of the uprooting of the trees were reported by the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation Control Room 9 in the West Zone and 5 in the Northwest Zone. The India Meteorological Department has issued a forecast of rains for May 29th and 30th. Light thunderstorm with the lightning and surface wind of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour accompanied with the light to moderate rain very likely in the districts of the northern Gujarat region, namely Banaskantha, Sabarkantha, Panchmahal and Dahod, and in the districts of Saurashtra, namely Rajkot, Amreli and Bhavnagar, the IMD forecast stated. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's tomorrow news. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.